वीडियोस देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें जनसत्ता.com, बेल आइकन दबाकर पाएं लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस।
नमस्कार, जनसत्ता में आपका स्वागत है। मैं प्रमोद यादव। जब भी पढ़ाई की बात आती है तो स्कूल हमें याद आता है। ऐसा स्कूल जो एक बंद कमरे की तरह होता है। सोचिए अगर ऐसा हो कि आपको यात्रा के दौरान पढ़ना पड़े तो क्या होगा। जाहिर सी बात है, बच्चे खुश हो जाएंगे। जी हाँ, हैदराबाद का एक ऐसा दंपति है जो अपने बच्चों को स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ा रहे हैं, बल्कि वह रोड स्कूलिंग कर रहे हैं। शब्द सुनकर सवाल आना लाजमी है कि यह रोड स्कूलिंग होता क्या है। एक ऐसी स्कूलिंग जिसमें घरवाले अपने बच्चों के साथ जगह जगह यात्रा करते हैं और बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं। एक ऐसी स्कूलिंग जो प्रैक्टिकल और जीवन के हर छोटे बड़े पहलुओं को छूती है। हैदराबाद के गंगाधर कृष्णन और उनकी पत्नी राम्या लक्ष्मीनाथ अपनी जुड़वा बेटियों को रोड स्कूलिंग करवाने के लिए 90 दिन में 13,000 किलोमीटर 15 राज्यों और 3 अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सीमाओं की यात्रा कर चुके हैं। तो आइए जानते हैं उनकी कहानी।
I worked for 17 years in the corporate, and in 2018 I quit my job, and then I am into a full-time traveler, and I'm a specialist of Northeast India, Sikkim and Bhutan. And last year I traveled around 7 months in the Northeast, and as a family 4 months, and as a solo as 3 months. And we have a Tata Nano, and the longest trip that we have done is we took our Tata Nano from Hyderabad. We traveled 13,000 kilometers over 90 days, and we did 15 states, 3 international borders, and a whole lot of stuff. Totally 13,000 kilometers is what we covered. Why we do this is because very early in life, Ramya and I, Ramya is my wife, we realized that travel is very, very close to our heart. And after the kids were born, Ramya was clear that she will not blame the kids, saying that because of kids we are not able to travel, because many people do that. So we continued travel even when the kids were just 6 months old. We have twin daughters, Amulya and Ananya, who are 9.5 years now. So the travel went on, and then during these travels we realized that miracles are happening, and kids are able to learn some deep things that even as parents, if we want to teach, it's not possible to teach, and a school cannot even come close to that kind of deep impact. So that is how our road schooling started. And to those of you who are new to this, homeschooling means allowing the kid to learn the way they want. It might usually mean there is a curriculum, but homeschooling certainly does not mean that we replicate school at home.
We have been traveling with them from when they were 6 months old. Their first trip was to Coorg when they were 6 months old. We carried all their, bottles and sterilizer and all the things. And apart from that, I mean, it was a 3-day trip. It was hectic. It was a little tiring, but then we realized that it was fun. And as a family, we've always traveled.